Hello everyone, welcome to my first video. In this video, we will set up TERMUX and all the things you need to get started. I know many people have done this, but I'll try my best to explain what's their purpose, and it's much better to start from scratch. First of all, you need to install TERMUX in your device to get started.
That shit a dome shaker. Oh bitch, you know I'm grinding like a pro skater. Baby mama bugging, I'm so quick to hit ignore. Buku bitches in my bed, I got scales all on my floor.
Second is download TERMUX-API in order for you to access your device API using TERMUX. Example are read and send SMS or access device GPS and more.
Makeup, she want a chance with me, cause she know I'm a rapper. I give a dick but I never get feelings, cause shorty I know what you after. Okay, they watching me, they watching me, they watching me.
Third is just optional. Download Hacker's Keyboard. It will help you to be more productive and much easier to type, especially if you will use Vim or Nano editor using TERMUX. After that, you can configure Hacker's Keyboard from your liking. Make sure to change your keyboard input from your settings. I prefer you to change the portrait and landscape mode to 5-row layouts to add the arrow buttons on your keyboard.
Man, keep a looking, act like a pussy, your panties get tookin'. I'm not the type to go fuck with them niggas who fuck with them niggas who stay on some fuck shit. Young and trapping out the bando, from the ceiling fan to the damn floor, trying to stack my money up, cause that's the only way we can go.
Now, for the exciting part, go to TERMUX. First thing you will do is to use the apt command. Apt is a command line utility for installing, updating, removing, and otherwise managing packages on Ubuntu and related Linux distribution. The apt package index is basically a database that holds records of available packages from the repositories enabled in your system. Now, type apt-get update to update the package index. This will pull the latest changes from the apt repositories. Always update the package index before upgrading or installing new packages. Next is type apt-get upgrade to upgrade the installed packages to their latest version. Now, in order for you to access your device storage using TERMUX, run TERMUX setup storage and then click allow. Now we will download a simple shell in TERMUX which will help you a lot. Type pkg installed fish. Fish is a friendly interactive shell, is a Unix shell that attempts to be more interactive and user-friendly. The design goal of Fish is to give the users a rich set of powerful features in a way that it is easy to discover, remember, and use.
That shit a dome shaker. Oh bitch, you know I'm grinding like a pro skater. Baby mama bugging, I'm so quick to hit ignore. Buku bitches in my bed, I got scales all on my floor. I got money on the line, plus I'm clocking that galore. I got bitches kissing bitches, all them bitches go explore. I'm feeling way up, well fuck it, I stay up. Put your bitch on my Snapchat, while I fuck up I make her. She want a chance.
After installation, in order to use Fish, run fish command, and you can see that the terminal look changes a bit more exciting and user-friendly. If you start typing, it will give you some command suggestion. Next, in order for you to use TERMUX-API, run apt install TERMUX-API. Go to Google and search for TERMUX Wiki for you to see the available commands using TERMUX-API. Next, we will install Git. So what is Git? Git is a distributed version control system for tracking changes in source code during software development. I recommend using Git especially when you are trying to learn how to code, but more importantly, Git is often used in TERMUX for cloning script from GitHub. In order to install Git in TERMUX, just run apt install git and wait for the installation to be done. The last package that we will install in this video is Python. Python is a scripting language that will mostly help you run script from cloning other people's Python code from GitHub, and if you want to develop an automation program, I will recommend Python. So as always, in order for you to install Python on your Termux, just run apt install python and just wait for the installation to be done. That is it guys, I hope you like and enjoy this video. Keep in mind that I'm also a beginner trying to learn more things and motivating myself by making these videos. Make sure to like and subscribe for more because this is just the beginning. If I said something wrong or you have more tips and information, don't forget to comment them, and I'm open for knowledge from all of you. So thanks for watching.